Welcome to today's video, and we are going to learn how to create a Pinterest pin on Canva. So let's quickly figure out how you can use Canva for designing Pinterest images easily and quickly. I use Canva for all my website graphics and other materials. So let's get started. If you don't have a Canva account yet, so make sure to use my link below to sign up, and even if you want to try the pro version, you can get 30 days free trial with that. Okay, first of all, you click this button over here and type in Pinterest pin. Okay, as you can see, it is in the dimension 1000 by 1500 pixels, and that's what Pinterest recommends, so we will keep it this way. But if you want to design any custom design, or maybe you want to enhance your pin design, you can simply use custom size over here and add your dimensions here. Okay, so Pinterest pin, and we get there. Okay, so now you can use any of these pre-made templates. Because I use Canva Pro, I get Pro and Premium templates for free, but if you're using the free version, you can simply use any of these templates that has this free tag over here, and they are free for you to use. Okay, so let's move on. First of all, however, if you look at these templates, they all look nice. Look at this one, for example, this one, you can make changes and create your own design. Now we have a plain background over here. I will just use a plain photo here, and you can search for any photos and use the photos that have this free tag. For example, you can use this one because it's free, but because it's pro, you cannot use it, but I can use it. And these are all the photos. The library is great, it comes with so beautiful pictures, and this is the best part of paying for Canva. And these are all pictures. Okay, but I use this upload section to upload my pins over here, photos over here. These are all the photos. I can also add links for the stock photo websites I use to get photos. So using this one, I am using this photo over here, and this is I can use this photo. I can drag this one, and however I want to do this, you can just tweak the size, change the proportion. Here you want to show the hands. Yes. So next, I am just using a plain box over here. Go to shapes, elements, go to shapes, and this is there because I have these brand colors over here. You can use any of the colors. This also shows the photo colors if you want to use any of this, for example this one, or this one with this green leaves over here, or this one the base color. So I am keeping it white. You can just drag it and put it in the center. Okay, and because now we have this gorgeous photo over here, I do want people to see this one, so I will just make the transparency to 80 or 70 so that the photo. Okay, now we can simply, I'm also using another box for showing the website name. If you want, you can simply put it this is a website. You can simply change the color, make it like this, and now I can simply use and put a text over here. And for example, I am text here that's 50 You can use how many ideas you want to put into this. I'm using a blog post here with 50 self-care tips to practice. So change the text, whatever they are, like leave this section because these are the popular fonts. You can ignore this one because you can use any others. I'll just use self-care and make it bigger and now this is where you just play around with Canva and test out different text and features. I think that's a little bit, yes, that's self-care, bold this. And just reducing the size of this one. You can even
make sure that that's stayed in the center. I'm just going to make it smaller and blue.
now simply change the color of the font. It's not that prominent, so you can
now I can just make it adjust here. So the pen is ready. Now you can simply play around and do different.
So make a copy of this pen, and if you want you can simply just change the photo, remove this one and add this one over here, and now you have like make it 50.
Ideas to try this summer, or to try at home. Now you have a completely new pen, and again if you want you can increase the transparency to this one, and align with the photo, and this is what's nice to this one. Again, grab the photo and just so here you have a new picture. Now for third, for example, you can use it in
Make a copy of this one, and now you can simply use another picture. You can just simply keep changing the photo here, and if you want to just use half of this section, so I will just change the color and the
here, and I guess you can use bits, but I just wanted to keep it. Now you have this picture over here, and again, make, I thought this was like a bit dark, and change the color and change the text here, and
can simply name those pins here, because naming your pin is also important. And you can simply download them as JPEG. You can, if you want, you can download all 3 of them or simply one. It's up to you. And this, and download to whatever folder you want to. So okay, now we have, so this was as simple as. So I hope this is all clear, this is easier for you. So when you keep using the tool, you will find out how cool it is, how you can use some different styles and elements over here. For example, you want to use an arrow, simply put it over here, and there are so many arrows here. You can simply drag this one and change the color and move it around and keep it over here, so that like this one you can simply like keep it somewhere here, and so that this is for, you know, this help people take action, and this will improve your how people respond to this pin and stuff like that. So it's easier to do that. You can just play around, put your text over here, and so this kind of pin, like this, you made it yourself, so it is unlikely that people will have this exact same pin. Another idea would be just to use this pin. What I'm doing it, I am just dragging this box over here so that it is like, it covers it. And self-care tips to practice, I am just, these are all some ideas to use to make great pins. And I have just like this one, and just use this one so that it gets easier. 50 self-care tips to practice daily. You can use a simple call to action over here, like click checkout. And we have another new pin ready. So these are all the ideas. We have like one post, and we have designed all these 4 pins with different titles, with different photos, just to add variety to pins. And I hope this is a fun tutorial and you like it. Let me know if you want more tutorials and what you have to say about it. So I hope you enjoy it. Bye bye.